Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Brother MFC-J415W printer driver download and installations. So guys, first open any browser and type Google search box to like that, means model number and after that driver, okay? And then this first URL support.brother.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. So click on it. So you can see two different OS also there, like mobile or Linux. Select the Windows and Windows 11, Windows 10, 64, 32 server also there. So all our installations process same. Okay, select Windows 11 and then click to OK. After that, this is a driver, exact driver. Click on it. Scroll down. Click to download. So it will start downloading like that. Okay, when it is completed, click on this icon, show more folder, and then copy, right click, copy, minimize all, then I show you how to install, then right click to paste. So this is your printer driver. So just right click and then click to open. After that it will extract on same location. You can see this is created this folder, open it, this is your printer driver and then close it. Next click to start, click on setting, then click Bluetooth and device, scroll down, printer and scanner, then click add device. When you click add device, after it will show manual options like this, add new manual device and click to it. Then guys, this is first the address bar, so you can enter the address and then connect. This one the connect host or IP, and this is via Bluetooth and network, and this is your local printer network manual setting. So select this, then next. Okay, printer port by default primary this is, and then click to hard disk, then click browser, browse, and then go to desktop. This file already created, open it, and this file .inf select, click to open and then click to OK. After that, now you find out the 415W, select I MFC-J, MFC-J15W. So this is your printer. Then next, select and then next. Now this is install, then next, and finish it. So your printer is installed, you can see, and if you test page, so click on it. But before the installations driver, you have to connect your printer via USB print cable, and then it's completed all step. Then restart your system also and your printer also. If you have any issue, so please comment me, I will guide you. Thank you guys.